Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan. Today's topic is antifungal agents classification and along with its structures. In this video we are going to see the chemical classification of antifungal agents and along with the drug structures. First, how we can classify the antifungal agents. Antifungal agents are classified based on their chemical structure. First class is azoles. Examples is clotrimazole, miconazole, ketoconazole. Allylamines and related compounds examples are naphthepin and tolnaftate. Fatty acids and its derivatives are zinc propionate and sodium caprylate. Phenols and its derivatives examples are haloprosin and cyclopyroxolamine. Nucleosides example is flucytosine, antifungal antibiotics, natamycin, amphotericin B, nystatin, candidin. Other antifungal antibiotics example are griseofulvin, miscellaneous antifungal agents or acresorcin. One by one structure we'll see now. First structure is clotrimazole. Here, as I said, earlier, azole indicates it contains imidazole as the basic nucleus. You can see here imidazole is the basic nucleus present in this structure. All the azole drugs contains the imidazole as the basic nucleus. What is imidazole? Imidazole is 5-membered ring containing 2 nitrogens at first and third positions with 2 double bonds. And here tri indicates 3 phenyl rings are present. Here we have some clues. We'll see that clo indicates chlorine group is present. Tri indicates 3 phenyl groups are present. These 3 phenyl groups are attached to the carbon, and then azole indicates it is a imidazole. So totally the center carbon is attached with the 3 phenyl rings and 1 imidazole ring to the one of the phenyl ring at ortho position chloro group is present. That is the structure of clotrimazole. Uses or topically it is used in the treatment of tinea pedis, tinea cruris, tinea capitis and cutaneous candidiasis. So all these types of the fungal infections we can use this clotrimazole. It is also used for vulvovaginal candidiasis. Candidiasis is the fungal infection which is caused by Candida albicans. This Candida albicans will show the fungal infection in the vaginal part and vulvovaginal part. So for that treatment we'll use this clotrimazole. Next structure is miconazole. Miconazole, so wherever azole indicates imidazole is the basic nucleus, and then here dichlorophenyl rings, 2 dichlorophenyl rings are attached to or are present in this miconazole structure. Here at the center there is a imidazole is attached here with one ethyl bridge. This is ethyl bridge. To this one of the carbon dichlorophenyl group is present. Here after diethyl group methoxy group is present. To this methoxy group one more dichlorophenyl group is attached. That is structure of miconazole. Uses or it is used to treat candidiasis which is caused by the fungus that is Candida albicans. Coccidioidomycosis which is caused by Coccidioides species. Paracoccidioidomycosis is caused by Paracoccidioides species. It is also used to treat chronic mucocutaneous candidiasis, and for the treatment of tinea infections we'll use this miconazole. Next structure is ketoconazole. Azole indicates imidazole basic nucleus. You can see here imidazole basic nucleus is present. This structure is little big to remember and to understand. That's why I have given names here. First starting part is acetyl group is present, that is COCH3 group is present. Acetyl group is immediately attached to one of the nitrogen of piperazine ring. What is piperazine ring? Piperazine ring is a saturated pyrazine ring. This piperazine ring is attached to the phenyl ring. Then methoxy group is present. To this methoxy group dioxazolone group is attached. Di indicates 2 oxygen atoms are present in a 5-membered ring. Then to this dioxazolone again methyl group is present. To this methyl group imidazole is attached. Dioxazolone is directly attached to dichlorophenyl ring. That is structure of ketoconazole. Ketoconazole is a broad spectrum imidazole antifungal agent. As I said in the previous video, antifungal agents have two properties. One is narrow spectrum activity and second one is broad spectrum antifungal property. Broad spectrum means it can kill any type of the species. Narrow spectrum means it can kill only one type of the species, one type of the fungal species. That type of antifungal agent is called as narrow spectrum. This ketoconazole is broad spectrum. Before two, that is clotrimazole and miconazole, or the narrow spectrum imidazole antifungal agents. It is used to treat various systemic fungal infections like candidiasis, coccidioidomycosis, histoplasmosis, blastomycosis, chromomycosis, etc. These ketoconazole is also used to treat cutaneous dermatophytic infections also. Next structure is naphthephine. Here clue for you is naph. Naph indicates naphthalene ring is present. You can see here naphthalene ring is present. To this naphthalene ring there is a methyl group. NCH3 group is attached. Now there is a allyl group is attached. Allyl group is attached to the nitrogen. That's why this naphthalene comes under the class of allyl amine category. What is allyl amine? CH double bond CH2 group is called as allyl group. This allyl group or allyl side chain is attached to the amino group. That's why it is coming under the class of allyl amine category. This allyl side chain is directly attached to the phenyl ring, that is structure of naphthephine. It is used in the topical treatment of ringworm infection, athlete's foot, jock itch. All these fungal infections we can use this naphthephine. Next structure is toll naphtate. Here toll is the clue for you, naph is another clue for you. Toll indicates toluene group. What is toluene group? Phenyl ring containing methyl group is called a toluene ring. Naph indicates naphthalene ring. These two are combined with methyl amino and C double bond SO. So this one we can call it as thioester. Thio means sulfur and it is a form of ester, means COOR indicates ester group. So in the place of one more oxygen, sulfur is there. That's why we are considering it as thioester. Between this toluene group and naphthalene group, there is a thioester present as a bridge. Uses or it is used in the topical treatment of ringworm infections, athlete's foot and jock itch infections. Next structure is zinc propionate. Zinc propionate is a fatty acid and it's a fatty acid or it's a salt derivatives. The zinc is present in the center and propionic acid propionate is present. So this is propionic acid CH3 CH2 COOH. In the place of hydrogen, zinc is attached. So two propionic acids are linked with one zinc, that is zinc ion, that is structure of zinc propionate. Uses or it is used as a fungicide, is which can kill the fungus, particularly used on adhesive tapes. Next structure is sodium caprylate. Sodium caprylate contains 8 carbon chain. Caprylic acid is a 8 carbon chain. So to this 8 carbon chain containing carboxylic acid, in the place of hydrogen, sodium atom is attached. Sodium ion is attached, that is structure of sodium caprylate. So this is a salt form of caprylic acid. Uses or it is used topically to treat superficial dermatomycosis which are caused by Candida albicans, Trichophyton, Mycosporum, Epidermophyton species. For all the superficial fungal infections treatment, we'll use this fatty acid and its salt. Next structure is haloprosin. Haloprosin is under the class of halogen derivatives. Here halo indicates halogen atoms are present. How many halogen atoms are present? 4 halogen atoms are present. 3 are chlorines and 1 is iodine structure is present, and phenoxy ring is attached. Here to this phenoxy ring, one fine group is attached. CH2 CH triple bond CH, to that CH iodine is present. That's why here pro indicates propyne group is present in this haloprogen structure. Uses or it is used in the treatment of tinea infections. Cyclopyrox is another structure. Cyclo is the clue for you. Cyclohexane is present. This cyclohexane is attached to the pyridine. What is pyridine? Pyridine means six-membered ring containing one nitrogen, that is pyridine. So to this pyridine structure, one methyl group is present at fourth position, ketone group is present at second position, and one hydroxy group is present at first position. That is structure of cyclopyrox. It is a broad spectrum antifungal agent which is used for the topical use. It is used in the treatment of cutaneous candidiasis, tinea corporis, tinea cruris infections, and it is a second line agent for the treatment of onychomycosis, which is a ringworm infection of nails. Next structure is flucytosin. Flucytosin is under the class of nucleosides. This flucytosin structure contains pyrimidine as the basic nucleus. You can see here six-membered ring containing two nitrogens at first position and third position. One is saturated nitrogen and another one is unsaturated nitrogen. This structure is pyrimidine structure. To this pyrimidine at fifth position, fluorine is present. That's why flu. So flu, here we got a clue that fluorine group is a fluorine atom is present at fifth position. One ketone group is present at second position, and at fourth position amino group is there. It is a narrow spectrum antifungal agent, means it will act only on one particular or particular type of the species. It is used to treat serious systemic infections which are caused by susceptible strains of Candida albicans and Cryptococcus species. Next, antifungal antibiotics example is natamycin. Natamycin structure is little complicated. I'll tell you how to remember this structure. So the upper parts, which are like heel parts, these parts you consider it as crowns, and the down ones are you consider it as downs. So here how many crowns are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 crowns are there and 5 downs are there. So first you draw that outer line, and remaining substituents what and all are there, where and all are there, what substituents are attached at which positions, that you can practice for 2 to 3 times, then you can remember. And to this structure there is a six-membered ring containing oxygen is present. To that one methyl group and two hydroxyl group, one amino group is present. That is structure of natamycin. It is used in the treatment of fungal conjunctivitis, means the infection or inflammation of the conjunctiva which is caused by the fungus, and to treat blepharitis, inflammation of the eyelids, and to treat keratitis, inflammation of the cornea. So totally for the eye fungal infections which are caused in the eye, for that we can use this natamycin. Next is amphotericin B. Here also various how many crowns are there, that you remember, and how many downs are there, and where and all double bonds are attached to this crowns and downs. So there is a six-membered ring containing oxygen is present, and to this various substituents are attached. It is a parenteral drug. Parenteral amphotericin B is used for the treatment of severe, potentially life-threatening fungal infections like coccidioidomycosis, histoplasmosis, North American blastomycosis, aspergillosis. For all this treatment, we can use this amphotericin B. It is topically also used to treat cutaneous and mucocutaneous mycosis, which are caused by Candida albicans. Next structure is nystatin. Nystatin also contains almost similar like natamycin and amphotericin, crowns and downs. You count it and remember that. Then what are the substituents? Where and all the substituents are attached, that you remember. Uses or it is used for the treatment of local and GIT candida infections which are caused by Candida albicans and other Candida species, and it is also used to control vaginal candidiasis. Candidin is another structure. It is also similar like natamycin, nystatin and amphotericin B. How many crowns are there and how many hydroxyl groups, where and all these present, how many downs are there, that you can remember by practicing. Uses or it is topically used as antifungal agent to treat cutaneous and mucocutaneous mycosis. Synthetic or artificial antifungal antibiotic, that is griseofulvin structure. Griseofulvin contains one phenyl ring, and to this phenyl ring, this structure is actually spiral structure. Spiral structure means two different rings has been attached with one single atom is called spiral compound. This is a spiral compound. Here, this phenyl ring is attached with one five-membered ring with oxygen, that is furon ring. Then one more six-membered ring, that is cyclohexene ring is present. Cyclohexene ring is attached to the present to this cyclohexene, one ketone group and one methyl group, one methoxy group is present. To this phenyl ring, two methoxy groups and one chloro group is attached. Uses of griseofulvin, or it is used for the treatment of ringworm and fungal infections on the hair, nails and feet, which are caused by various species of fungi. Acresorcin is a miscellaneous category of antifungal agent. Acre indicates acridin is present. You can see here acridin ring is basic nucleus is present. Two phenyl rings, and in between one pyridine ring is attached, fused. That structure is called as acridin structure. To this acridin structure, acridin contains amino group and resorcinol is present. Sorcin indicates resorcinol. Resorcinol structure contains phenyl ring with OH groups at meta positions. To this resorcinol structure, there is a side chain, that is hexyl structure is present. So that we can simply call it as 9-aminoacridin, ninth position aminoacridin compound with 4-hexyl resorcinol. It is used to treat various fungal infections. Mechanisms of individual class of the antifungal agents we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you all.